Hello people, welcome back. In this episode of Troubleshoot Tuesday, I'll be replacing this bad diode from the circuit board, so let's get started. Look at this diode, its outer part has clipped off due to heat, as you can see the burnt traces on board. So, I'll replace it with this one. I took it from this circuit board. Firstly, I'll desolder this diode from the circuit board. It's easy to desolder the components with the help of a desoldering pump. Don't remove the diode with your bare hands, because the diode has heated up, so remove it with the help of tweezers. Let me fix this here. It's time to solder. The solder joint looks shiny. This is how a solder joint must look. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, press the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode. Follow me on Instagram for the latest updates.